Which gas pressure washer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 caught my eye right away, especially with its compact design and a price point of just $169. If you want something portable that packs a punch for cleaning your driveway or patio, this is worth a serious look. This pressure washer delivers 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, which means you can tackle dirt and grime without breaking a sweat. The 17.5-inch Pro-style wand is easy to use, and with 5 quick connect nozzles, you can customize your pressure for different surfaces, whether it's your car or your patio furniture. It also has an onboard soap tank, so you can add detergent for those tougher jobs. This is great because it saves you time and hassle. Now, some people complained about the relatively short 25-foot hose. Here's the thing though, while it might be limiting for larger areas, it also makes the unit easier to handle and store, especially if you're tight on space. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, user-friendly washer for home use. Skip this one if you're tackling large commercial jobs. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if the hose length bothered you, the next one might actually be even better for longer reach. Product number 2. Simpson Clean Machine. Next up is the Simpson Clean Machine, coming in at $287.99. I was intrigued by its powerful 3,400 PSI and 2.5 GPM. If you want a reliable option for tough cleaning tasks at home, this one deserves a close look. This model features a 208 cubic centimeter CRX engine that starts easily and includes a low-oil shutdown for safety. The 25-foot hose is designed to resist kinks and protect surfaces, which means you can clean without worrying about damaging your freshly washed car or patio. Plus, the 4 quick connect tips let you switch between cleaning tasks seamlessly, whether you're washing your driveway or prepping your deck for staining. However, some reviews mentioned that could be a bit heavy at 64 pounds. But I'll be real with you. That weight contributes to its stability and durability when in use. This is perfect for homeowners who need something a bit more powerful for regular use. Skip this if you're looking for a lightweight option for smaller tasks. Considering the power and features, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for reliability and performance. Product number 3. DeWalt DXBW3300S. Now, let's talk about the DeWalt 3300 PSI, priced at $428. Right off the bat, I love the brand's reputation for quality. If you need something that handles both tough and everyday cleaning, this is worth considering. With its 208 cubic centimeters engine and 3,300 PSI at 2.4 GPM, this pressure washer is made to tackle heavy grime on decks and siding. The welded steel frame adds durability, which is great if you're looking for something that lasts. Plus, the 25-foot hose and 5 quick connect nozzles provide great versatility for all your cleaning needs. Now, some users found that it can be a bit louder than expected during operation. Honestly, while some noise is typical for gas models, it's something to think about if you live in a quiet neighborhood. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful machine that can handle various cleaning tasks without hassle. Skip this if noise is a significant concern for you. Overall, it holds great value for its performance. Now, if you're still looking for something even more powerful, the next product might surprise you. Product number 4. Simpson PowerShot. The Simpson PowerShot is next, priced at $899, and this one is a beast. If you're a contractor or someone who needs serious cleaning power, you'll want to hear about this. With a 4,400 PSI and 4.0 GPM performance, it's designed for heavy-duty use. The AAA Industrial Triplex pump is maintenance-free, which is fantastic because it means less downtime for you. Also, the included 50-foot hose gives you plenty of reach, making it easier to clean larger areas without constantly moving the washer. However, the price point might be a sticking point for some, and it is heavier at 75 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for professional purposes, that weight speaks to its durability and functionality, making it worth every penny. This is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who need high performance. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional light cleaning at home. If you need a workhorse, this is it. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable but still effective, the last product could be just right for you. Product number 5. Westinghouse WPX 3000E. Finally, we have a Westinghouse WPX 3000E, priced at $279. I found its specs impressive, especially for the price. If you want a solid electric pressure washer that performs well, this is definitely worth a look. This model offers 3000 max PSI and 1.76 GPM, which is excellent for a variety of cleaning tasks around your home. The 0.45-gallon soap tank is a nice touch for tougher jobs like grease on your driveway. Plus, the 25-foot hose is abrasion-resistant, which is a big win for longevity. However, some users noted it's not as powerful as some gas models. But here's the deal. For most homeowners, it's more than sufficient for washing cars, patios, and decks without the hassle of gas maintenance. This is perfect for homeowners looking for an affordable yet effective pressure washer for regular use. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty commercial tasks. For the price and performance, it's a great deal. So, to wrap things up, we covered the Westinghouse EPX 3500 for portability, the Simpson Clean Machine for heavy-duty home use, the DeWalt for versatile performance, the Simpson PowerShot for professionals, and the Westinghouse WPX 3000E for a solid electric option. Each of these pressure washers has its strengths, but it really comes down to what you need for your cleaning tasks.